Good day, everyone. A little amid speculation of an impending rescue of debt-laden Greece has eased the world equity markets. However, it would still remain uncertain and gloomy due to the local and global cues. Indian markets expected to be positive at the start as the other global markets are up. The Nifty would continue to dangle between 4,700 to 4,900 levels. Global sentiments should remain positive on a consistent basis for the Nifty to cross 5,000. FII selling has to subside. US stocks ended in red on Wednesday as investors weighed the Greek debt situation, a strong dollar, and Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke's plan for executing exit from an ultra-loose monetary policy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 20 points to end at 10,038.38. The S&P 500 index lost 2 points to close at 1,063.13, and the Nasdaq Composite Index shed 3 points to finish at 2,147.87. The UK FTSE 100 index rose 0.4%. DAX of Germany climbed 0.7%, and the French CAC of 40 index rose 0.6%. All indexes closed off earlier highs. Nikkei and Taiwan would remain closed. Hang Seng is trading up by 1.5%. China markets to set to trade post 9. China's Jan consumer prices up less than expected 1.5%, but wholesale prices jumped 4.3%. The markets would remain in a consolidation mode at least in the loom of the railway and the union budget. Depending on the note from the finance minister, the market is expected to remain oblique and jerky. Other factors which need to be watched upon in the future in order to get the sentiments for the markets are monsoons, earnings, valuations, funds flow, inflation, interest rates, policy announcements, if any, and global events. A downward trend is expected until there is clarity on the global fronts. Hindalco to raise Rs 49 billion via debt. Kingfisher Airlines plans to raise 4 billion via 1:1 rights issue. Fortis to raise Rs 12.5 billion by issuing shares in the domestic and international markets. The tips for the day are a buy on Grasim at Rs 2,701, which is a target price of Rs 2,900, and a stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 2,640. A buy on Pantaloons at 420, where the target price is Rs 440, and the stop loss is to be maintained at 411. On the F&O side, we have HCC at Rs 135, which has a buy, and the target is Rs 142 with a stop loss of 133. And HDFC a sell at Rs 1,951, where the target is 1,630, and the stop loss to be maintained is at Rs 1,575. Thank you.